In this video, I want to spend a few minutes talking about my Patreon page. You could find it at patreon.com/mathsciencetutor. Now, for those of you who wish to subscribe to my Patreon page, you'll gain access to the full version of many of my videos that you may find on YouTube. Now, I do have many videos on this page, with more coming soon, and it can definitely be time consuming using the scroll bar to find the video that you're looking for. So after you sign up, I recommend using the search box to find a specific video, which will save you time. You can't see the search box now, but you should be able to see it after you sign up. It should be somewhere in this area. So let me show you an example. So here's how it's going to look like after you sign up. And you can see the search box here. So instead of scrolling down to look for the video that you're looking for, which might take some time, especially as I continue to add more videos, it's easier if you type in a portion of the title of the video into the search box. So let's say if you have a calculus final exam and you saw my video on YouTube, but you want access to the full version of that video. So you can come here and type in the title. Now you may want to type in maybe the first 2 or 3 words in the title. So if you type in calculus 1 final, you're going to see it show up here, so you can access it a lot faster. Notice the title, Calculus 1 Final Exam Review. If you skip, let's say, a portion of the title, if you type in Calculus Final, it's not going to show up in the search box. So you want to type in Calculus 1 or Calculus 1 Final. You don't want to skip anything when you plug it in to the search box. For instance, if you type in Calculus Final, it's not going to show up. I'm not sure why that's the case, but don't skip that one. So if you type in a portion of the title of the video, the way you see it on YouTube, it's going to come up in the search box. So that's how you can find these videos a lot faster for those of you who wish to sign up for my Patreon page and get access to these premium videos.